The British pound opens up the week moving higher, today getting all the way up to 129.99, the highest we've seen since November, in a range that encompassed pretty much the entire 129 handle between 129.17 and 129.99. Ultimately, the pound continues to rally on dollar weakness as the dollar struggles continue. Now, taking a step back, the pound is rallied about 7% since the middle part of January. It's been a pretty steady move higher with very few pullbacks, but ultimately seeing it sit on the highs as this week we have a Fed meeting and a Bank of England meeting. Neither is expected to cut rates. However, clarity is what the market is looking for down the road, where both central banks are expected to cut later this year. But right now, looking for clarity and seeing the pound rally continue as dollar woes continue to push the dollar lower. Again, seeing the pound open up the week higher at 129.99 high today. Now, what does this all mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmbgroup.com. And for much of March, volatility in the pound has been moving lower. However, with central bank meetings coming up this week, we see volatility in the pound start to nudge slightly higher, especially as we get to the high end of that range. Lastly, let's talk about positioning and what are speculators doing? Well, since the late part of January, they continue to add to their net long positions. Pretty much covers the chart. If you put a chart of net positioning over a chart of prices, you'll see prices going higher and you'll see positioning getting longer. Obviously, speculators helping to push this pound higher over the last month and a half.